Top 10 Largest Hotel Chains in the World, 2018. Huazhu Hotels Group. The Huazhu Hotels Group was founded in 2005 but already has 3,656 properties in 365 cities worldwide, offering more than 372,000 rooms at any one time. Some of the big names the China Huazhu Hotels Group are responsible for include Hanting Express, Haiyan, and Starway Hotel. Best Western Hotels. While Best Western Hotels are based out of Phoenix, Arizona, the chain has more than 4,200 hotels around the world, ranging from budget hotels to upscale hotels under the name of Best Western Plus and Best Western Premium. The chain was established in 1946 and has continued to grow and expand over the years. Accor Hotels. Accor Hotels is a French company with headquarters in Paris, France. With 4,283 hotels worldwide, Accor Hotels is a huge company operating globally. If you've ever stayed at a luxury Sofitel hotel, you've stayed at a hotel managed by Accor Hotels. Intercontinental Hotels Group. At any one time, Intercontinental Hotels Group has 809,889 hotel rooms in 5,431 hotels globally. Intercontinental Hotels Group is a UK company with headquarters in Buckinghamshire. Brands like Crown Plaza, Holiday Inn Express and Candlewood Suites all fall under the ICHG umbrella. Hilton Worldwide. You're sure to be familiar with the Hilton Worldwide hotel chain, which was established in 1919 by Conrad Hilton and now has 5,456 properties including the Waldorf Astoria and the Hilton Garden Inn amongst 12 other brands. The first hotel of the chain, Mobley Hotel, was opened in Texas in 1919 and other Texas hotels followed, expanding across the U.S. in 1943.